Welcome to the Angular Mastery series at IQ Software Learning Point. Introduction to Angular Components. What are Angular Components? Angular Components are the basic building blocks of Angular applications. They are reusable and self-contained units of code that encapsulate the data, logic, and user interface (UI) elements of a specific part of an application. Why are components important in Angular development? Components promote modularity and code reusability, making it easier to maintain and scale Angular applications. They enable developers to divide the application into smaller, manageable pieces, each responsible for a specific functionality or feature. Components facilitate the separation of concerns by isolating the UI logic, data, and presentation from other parts of the application. Key features and benefits of using components. Reusability. Components can be reused across different parts of the application, reducing duplication of code and improving productivity. Encapsulation. Components encapsulate their own logic, styles, and templates, preventing them from interfering with other parts of the application. Data binding. Components support various types of data binding, allowing dynamic interaction between the component's logic and the UI. Lifecycle hooks. Angular provides lifecycle hooks that allow developers to execute code at specific points in a component's lifecycle, such as initialization, rendering, and destruction. Component communication. Components can communicate with each other using input and output properties, enabling parent-child communication and sibling communication. Routing and navigation. Components play a key role in Angular's routing and navigation system, allowing users to navigate between different views or pages while maintaining the state of the application. Let's provide a simple example of an Angular component to illustrate the concepts discussed. Consider a basic Angular application with a single component called Hello component. This component will display a greeting message with the name of the user. Create the component. Create a new file named hello.component.ts and define the Hello component class. Specify the component's selector, template, and any other necessary properties. Hello.component.ts import component from @Angular code. Add component, selector, app hello, template, hello, name. Export class hello component, name is equal to Angular. Use the component, import the hello component into the main module of your Angular application, usually app.module.ts. Add the hello component to the list of declarations in the modules @ngModule decorator.